February 2020. Masondo kuvuka siyakubingelela siyakwemukela. This is the Mega Grace Hour, Monday to Friday 5 to 6. A day without Mega Grace Hour is not the day. Usuku ngaphandle Mega Grace Hour akusilona usuku olupheleleyo. Make sure that you tune in every single day, because every day suke sikuphathela izinto ezinamandla ezokubusisa ngendlela emangalisayo. Namhlanje ngalesi sikhathi suke sesibheka our verse of the day, and today we also have the verse that we want to share with you so that you can start your day on a high note, inspired, motivated and encouraged here on Vuma 103 Adults Radio for the Young at Heart. It's found in the book of Psalm 34 verse 19. Many are the afflictions of the righteous man, but the Lord delivers him out of them all. Ziningi izinhlupheko zolungileyo, noma ziningi bathoka kumnandi ukuthi inkosi yamkhulula kuzona zonke. Many are the afflictions of the righteous man. Yes, I understand there are many trials, there are many afflictions, there are many hardships, there are many ups and twists of life, but the good news is that the Lord delivers him out of them all. Ziningi inhlupheko obhekene nazo, buningi ubuhlungu obhekene nazo, but izindaba ezimnandi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzokhulula kuzona zonke. Awuthola umsebenzi, the Lord will deliver you out of whatever trial, out of whatever affliction that you are going through. Izona indaba ezimnandi lezo ukuthi noma inganingi inhlupheko zolungileyo, kodwa kumnandi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyasikhulula kuzona zonke. That's the verse for today. Many are the afflictions of the righteous man, but the Lord delivers him out of them all. Noma ingangakanani inhlupheko, into esijabulisayo nesiduduzayo ukuthi siyazi ukuthi noma ziningi, but we serve a God who will deliver us from every affliction. Now as you start your day, maybe you are going hearing namhlanje there are many afflictions, but the good news that I have for you this morning, the Lord shall deliver you from whatever affliction that you might be facing. Maybe you've received a decline or rejection for so many times, but I have good news for you this morning. As you're going to start your day, the Lord shall deliver you from whatever affliction that you might find yourself in. Maybe my relationships akho awahambi kahle, you are even thinking of going back home ushiya umshado wakho, ungawushiya umshado wakho. The Lord shall deliver you from whatever affliction, from whatever circumstance. Maybe mhlambe ihlobo ziyagula nasekhaya, the Lord shall deliver you from whatever affliction that you are facing. Many are the afflictions of the righteous man, but the Lord shall deliver you from them all. Uzokhululwa, uzophuma kulobo buhlungu obhekene nabo namhlanje kuseni, uzokhululeka kulezi inhlupheko that you are going through, because there is a God, there is someone who's watching over you. Noma ngabonela ngithi akekho kubhekile, akekho ozwelana nesimo sakho, but there is a good news ukuthi there is someone who's watching over you. As you start this day, just have that in mind ukuthi ziningi inhlupheko. Yes, ziningi. Mawuthi uzama ukulungisa lokho kubheda ngapha, uthi ulungisa ingane ngapha, umnyeni wakho usenza ukuthi, uthi ulungisa esikoleni seingane sekuvela kunye ngapha,